Good morning. Hope you guys had a great week. Just a little something for today, and then we've got next week we're gonna have a little project, and hey, we're getting close to the end here. Couple things for the day. I've got obviously I want you to finish up your cereal box projects if you already haven't done that. You do have to the end of the day. To the end of today to turn those in. They're due today. I think there was a little miscommunication on one video. I might have said Thursday. I gave it to today, so Friday. Now, there's a couple things for today. Today is kind of your short day, remember, so I do have a couple things. I'm going to have you, if you look in your checklist or in your folder for the week, there is a song I want you to listen to. It's We Didn't Start the Fire by Billy Joel. It was the song that was number one on the Billboard's Top 40 in 1989 when it was written. Basically, it was written by a singer named Billy Joel, who was talking to a kid from, or 21-year-old, I should say, from the 1980s, and this guy was kind of lamenting the fact that how difficult it was growing up in that era with crack and AIDS and all the things that were kind of presented themselves. And Billy Joel kind of thought to himself, like, hey, I don't think you realize what other generations have gone through. So he wrote the song We Didn't Start the Fire, which kind of chronicles events that have happened in his lifetime from, I believe, 1949 when he was born up until kind of the present day. So it kind of talks about all these events. So I want you to listen to that song. I also have a copy of the lyrics. If you're having a hard time keeping up, you can kind of have the song playing in the background while you're following with the lyrics if you feel like that's easier. And I'm going to have you answer 3 discussion questions. Basically, I want you to list, and you don't have to talk about them, describe or anything. Just list like 5 different events that you heard him talk about in We Didn't Start the Fire. Then I also want you, in the next discussion question, I would like you to think of, again, this song was written in 1989. From 1989 till now, what are 5 events that he would talk about if he did kind of a second version? A lot of people have asked him to write a second version of We Didn't Start the Fire, kind of continuing on. He's kind of declined, but what are 5 events that he would talk about if he did the second thing? And if you notice when you listen to the song, not all of them are like hardcore political things. He talks about baseball in there. He talks about kind of Hollywood, like Doris Day, but he does talk about like the assassination of John F. Kennedy and some other things. So, I'm kind of writing your first essay for you, right? Or your first discussion question. So what kind of things would he talk about? So what are the big events? Like I'm thinking like O.J. Simpson getting killed, or the murder. He got accused of murder, I should say. What are 5, just 5 events? If you want to do more, feel free. Okay, so that is the second one. The third one is kind of talking about what is kind of Billy Joel trying to say in this song. And again, if you look at the lyrics, particularly the chorus part of the lyrics, he kind of gives a very simple message in the chorus. I think it's pretty easy to decipher, or easier to decipher if you look at just the chorus portion. So pull up the lyrics, look at that, and see kind of what he was trying to say. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, let me know. If not, have a great weekend, and I will definitely see you next week. My hunch is I'm actually going to be posting something Monday. If we're going to do a project, I might give you Monday to start on it, give you a little extra time. So, probably see you Monday with my guests. All right, you guys have a great one. Enjoy.